Dongguan Soonleader Electronics Co.Ltd. is a professional of designer and manufacturer, specialized in inspiring protective cases for over 20 years. We have 300 workers and 70 injection molding machines. Monthly capacity is 2 million pieces products and 100 sets tooling. We provide one-step ODM and OEM service to our partners, various products with all kinds of materials, especially eco-friendly materials like recycled and 100 biodegradable materials. Our factory, located in Dongguan, covers an area of 25,000 square meters, and it has passed BSCI, Disney, and various factory system certifications. We will provide free samples to every interested customer. We look forward to your inquiries and cooperation.